This is the Baseus portable car vacuum cleaner. Wireless handheld auto vacuum cleaner. Deep clean. This size is 232 mm into 65 mm, so smaller than others. Charging time, 3.5 hours. Charging input port, Type-C. Output power, 65W. You can clean your laptop, desktop, desk, drawer, etc. Specifications. Material, aluminium alloy plus ABS. Running time, 21 minutes. Battery capacity, 11.1 volts, 2000 mAh. Input current, DC 5 volts, 3A, max. Absorbing pressure, 4 kilopascals. Check details. Huge order. Purchase link on description below. Free shipping for United States. Check reviews. Customer reviews are very well. "60-day buyer protection, money-back guarantee." Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe and share my video.